How to send pictures on your email on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send pictures on email on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, you can either go to your mail app on your iPhone or you can simply go to Gmail app. So in this video, I'll show you through the Gmail. Now simply open your app and then tap on the option compose. Now where it says to, you'll have to select to whom you will be sending your mail to. So simply enter the email address over here, and then if you want you can enter a subject of what photo you are sending. So for now I'll simply tap on the option image. Now you'll have to tap on this attach file option right over here, which looks like a little paper clip. Simply tap on it, and now you will be provided with the list of all of the different photos on your gallery. Now you can scroll over here and then see other photos on your gallery, but for now I'll simply send this photo right over here. And then once you tap on the option send, which is right over here, you'll have successfully sent pictures on your email on your iPhone. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.